Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to do caulking around doors and windows, especially if you have brick and stones around them and you have some big gaps like this one that needs to be filled out. So the caulking is going to do the weatherproofing and it's not going to allow any insect to go inside the house. So if you want to have very nice and crisp lines, it's very important to tape up the area first before you actually get into the process. I use the paintbrush to clean up all the area and remove all the debris first, and then I applied this tape. In case you're wondering, this is Blue Frog tape. It's one of the best ones in the market for this application. It sticks pretty well to the stone and brick surfaces. For this project, I decided to use a sausage gun because it applies a little bit more product. And this is a specialty kind of a waterproofing sealant that I got from my local building hardware store. I begin by putting the actual sausage inside the gun, and then I cut the tip of the applicator around 40 degrees, and this is how it looks like close up. Now it's time to cut that sealing package open and put the tip back on top and tighten it down. Before applying the caulking, I really like to push this tape as much as I can to the actual surface of the brick or the stone in my case. Now it's time to apply the actual caulking, and I find it very easy and simple to do, especially if you're using one of these sausage guns. It makes the life a lot easier. It kind of fills up all those voided areas extremely quick and smooth. The overall look of this job is going to be very much better if you use a sausage gun like this one, and that's the reason why I'm using it here, and it's actually one of my favorite methods of applying caulking to around the doors and kind of windows and areas like that. So now that the caulking job is done, it's time to go over it with our finger to make it super nice and smooth. As you can see, I'm using a glove just so I can keep my hand nice and clean. Keep in mind, when you're doing this, you want to put very small amount of pressure. You don't want to push it too much or it's going to get indented. The caulking is going to be pushed too much back and it's going to look horrible. So make sure to take your time and go over it very nice and slow. You don't want to kind of damage the surface. If you accidentally kind of pushed it too much back or remove too much material from it, you can apply a little bit more of caulking and then you can smooth it again. It's not the end of the world. It's a very easy process, and I'm pretty confident pretty much anybody can do this. As long as you tape up the area around it, you're going to be saved. Make sure to do that step, because that is the key and it's one of the most important parts of this whole process. This product becomes extremely stretchy and it's going to adhere so much to that stone that it's almost impossible to remove it after it cures up. So applying that tape around it is going to be a huge help. It's going to kind of give you the cleanest and nicest result. So when it's done, it's time to remove the tape. I like to remove the tape from the stone side first, and make sure to go super nice and slow. If there's any imperfections, it's time to fix it before you remove the tape from the other side. I'm pretty sure sometimes you get a little bit of void in some areas after removing the tape. It's normal. Just again, take your time and be patient with it, and make sure not to mess it up, not to smear it on the surface of the stone. Be extra careful when you're going around these areas. Once you're done making it super nice and smooth, it's time to remove the tape. I'm pretty sure it's going to look super good at this point that you're going to get excited. Make sure to take your time when you're removing the tape. So the key is to be a little bit patient when you're removing the tape so it doesn't mess up the job that you just did. There you have it, guys. This is the final result. As you can see, it turned out super nice and beautiful. I hope you liked this video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till next time, peace.